Alright, so to start today out, it is Friday. Sorry I have not recorded much this week. I have been steady putting out fires all week long. Started with the ditch witch over there. Won't let me zoom. Then we went to this F-250 here. I replaced the entire rear end in it. It was so hot, I did not get any footage of that being done. I'll walk over here so you can see the old one, so you don't think I'm bullshitting you. Also replaced the AC compressor in that same day. My little buddy Max here. He's the best yard slash shop dog one guy could ask for. See, he even knows what we're going after. We had a major failure in this one. Either the ring gear or pinion gear broke. Don't know. They've been like that for months. So I had another one brought out. We got it replaced. Took that guy on his maiden test drive yesterday, and he's all back together and ready to go back in service. Then walk over here to this ditch witch, and I'll show you what I did over here as well. This kind of started out my week. I had a bad battery on this, as well as really old bad cables for the starter system. Put a new ground on it, new power wire. And we also had a break in the field, had to replace that hydraulic line. It comes back to this cylinder back here. Also, the alternator belt was in dire need of replacement. Put a new one on there. Very small fires, but nonetheless, still a fire that needed to be put out. We have since ordered a $2,900 5.7 350 original Corvette motor for the Corvette. That'll be coming next week, because this ball of shit that we've got going on in here is just that. That won't work with the wiring that we have, and the bracket configuration and everything else. So later tonight or tomorrow, I'll be sitting in here and taking this guy apart to get him ready to pull out. But this morning, well, late yesterday, I diagnosed it's the boss man's truck, that his condenser fan and radiator fan just, you can start the engine, I can hold that. It's bad. And then he also called me this morning and said he needed a wheel bearing. So, but parts store don't have that. So we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow before they can get it. I may call another parts store and see if they have one. But yeah, that's what I'm doing this morning. So Yep. I will be back later after I get this changed out. I might let y'all watch this process. I might throw up my my camera thing. So stay tuned. It's been an interesting week.